Think about it from your client's perspective. They just had an amazing massage with you, and they want to rebook the exact same service. Or perhaps they loved the new shampoo you used and want to buy it for themselves. Without a direct link, they might go to your general Vagaro page, scroll through dozens of services, or search through your inventory. This can be time-consuming and, frankly, a bit annoying. The easier you make it for them to take action, the more likely they are to do it. Why direct links are your new best friend? So, what exactly is a Vagaro link and why should you be using them? In essence, Vagaro allows you to create unique, shareable links for almost everything you offer. Individual services, specific classes, products, memberships, and even packages. These aren't just generic links to your main Vagaro profile. These are direct, targeted links that take your client straight to the item they're interested in, preloaded and ready for them to add to their cart or book. This precision is invaluable. It eliminates friction in the booking and buying process. Let's break down the benefits. Effortless booking. Clients can book their preferred service or class with just a few clicks, without sifting through your entire menu. Boosted sales. Promote specific products or packages directly, making impulse purchases incredibly easy for your clients. Targeted marketing. Use these links in your social media posts, email campaigns, or even text messages to promote specific offerings. Improved client experience. Show your clients you value their time by providing them with a streamlined, convenient way to interact with your business. Increased efficiency. Reduce the number of inquiries about how to find certain services or products online. How to get your hands on these powerful links. The great news is that creating and sharing these links on Vagaro is incredibly straightforward. While the exact steps might vary slightly depending on whether you're on the web, tablet, or the Vagaro Pro app, the core functionality remains consistent. Let's walk through the general process for different offerings, services, and classes. This is probably one of the most common reasons you'll want to share a direct link. After a client experiences a fantastic service, you can immediately provide them with a link to book it again, or to explore other related services. Navigate to your service/class menu. On the web, you'll typically find this under More, then Settings, and then Service/class menu. Select the service or class. Find the specific service or class you want to generate a link for. Find the Share Link or Create Link option. Look for an action menu or a Share Link button next to the service/class. Customize. Optional, you might have the option to select specific employees if the link should be used to book with them. This is super useful if a client wants to rebook with their favorite stylist or trainer. Copy and share. Once the link is generated, you can copy it and send it directly to your client via text, email, or even embed it into your social media posts. You can also test the link to make sure it goes to the correct place. Products. Want to sell more of that amazing skincare line or those essential fitness accessories? Direct links are your secret weapon. Go to your inventory. On the web, this is often found under More, then Settings, and then Inventory. Select the product. Choose the product you want to create a link for. Find Share Link or Create Link. Similar to services, you'll usually find an action menu or a Share Link button. Copy and share. Copy the generated link and send it out. When a client clicks it, they'll be taken directly to the product page on your Vagaro listing, ready to add it to their cart and check out. Memberships and packages. Memberships and packages are fantastic for recurring revenue and client loyalty. Making it easy for clients to purchase these valuable offerings is key. Head to Things We Sell. You'll often find memberships and packages listed under Settings within Things We Sell. Select the membership or package. Find the specific one you want to link. Choose Create Link. Look for the action menu and select Create Link. Copy and share. Just like with services and products, copy the link and distribute it. Clients who click this link will automatically add the membership or package to their shopping cart for quick checkout. Creative ways to share your Vagaro links. Now that you know how to generate these links, let's talk about where to put them to maximize their impact. Text message follow-ups. After a client's appointment, send a personalized text message with a direct link to rebook the same service or purchase a product they expressed interest in. Thanks for your visit today. Here's a quick link to rebook your next deep tissue massage. Vagaro link. Email marketing campaigns. Dedicate sections of your email newsletters to specific services, products, or promotions, and include direct links for each. This makes your calls to action incredibly clear and actionable. Social media posts. Stop just talking about your new facial treatment. Link directly to it. Our new hydrating facial is getting rave reviews. Book yours now. Vagaro link. You can also link to specific products you feature in your posts, your website and blog. While your Vagaro booking widget is essential, consider adding direct links within your website copy or blog posts when you talk about specific offerings. QR codes. Generate QR codes from your Vagaro links and place them in your physical location, on your front desk, in treatment rooms, or on product displays. Clients can simply scan with their phone and be taken directly to the booking or product page. Business cards. For your most popular service, why not include a QR code or a short, direct link on your business card? Digital waivers or forms. If you have a digital waiver or form system, you can embed Vagaro links within the confirmation or thank you messages. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.